there's a group of people on my team called Merit Review Officers. And that's a group of scientists who actually manage the review process. They look at these LOIs that have been invited by the science programs, and they begin reviewer recruitment based on those topics. So our reviewers are recruited based on expertise, okay? So, what is the expectation of our reviewers? As I mentioned, we have different types of reviewers on our panels. We have patients and stakeholders on our panels. We have scientists, and we have a chair that kind of facilitates the scientific discussion of each application. So all of our reviewers need to understand our mission and be invested in supporting that mission. So again, this is a place where we ask people to carefully look at the PFA, and the Merit Review Officer goes over the key aspects of each PFA with their reviewers. We also ask that they bring their perspective to the table. So if a patient is on an application, we ask them to tell us, from the perspective of a patient, does this actually satisfy or meet the merit review criteria as defined in our funding announcement? If you're a stakeholder, if you're a policymaker, we want to hear that perspective. If you're a scientist, of course, you're bringing that scientific expertise, and we want to talk about how rigorous is that methodology. Is there a clear evidence gap defined? And if so, is there CER there that's going to address that gap? Okay, so we are looking for these unique perspectives. We're looking for the expertise to best evaluate the applications that we receive.